Okay, I welcome you to this lesson where I will prove this identity. It's coming from Additional Mathematics, Paper 1, 2027. So we are saying that prove the identity 1 minus cos squared theta over secant squared theta minus 1 is equal to 1 minus sine squared theta. Okay, so this is the identity they want us to prove. So we need to get the side that is more complex. We can see we have the left hand side and the right hand side. So we can see that this one on the left hand side is the one that is more complex. 1 minus cos squared theta over sec squared theta minus 1, like this. So now we need to understand the Pythagorean identity, which is cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is equal to 1, like this. Okay, so here we can see that if we make this one sin squared theta the subject like this, say it is equal to 1, when this one goes this other side comes minus cos squared theta, like this. So this means that where we can see that there is 1 minus cos squared theta, we should substitute this one with sin squared theta, like this, over secant squared theta minus 1, like this. Okay, so once again we can see that we have this one here, secant squared theta. Secant squared theta, its inverse, it's 1 over cos squared theta. So where there is this one here, secant squared theta, we should substitute this one here. So we need to say that sine squared theta over, where there is secant squared theta here, we should substitute it with its reciprocal, which is 1 over cos squared theta minus 1, like this. Now we need to write this one here, the numerator, the denominator, with the same under the same we should write this one 1 over cos squared theta minus 1 under the same denominator. So this one we should get it as 1 over cos squared theta minus 1 over 1. We balance up the fraction, where we know that here the lowest common denominator of cos squared theta and 1, it is cos squared theta, like this, where we know that cos squared theta into cos squared theta gives 1 times this one, that is 1 minus 1 into cos squared theta gives cos squared theta. Cos squared theta times 1, that is cos squared theta, like this. Okay, so meaning that this expression that is here is the same as, so we can see the numerator we have sin squared theta over 1 minus cos squared theta, like this, over sine squared theta, like this. Now we can see that this line here is the division line, so this one can be written as sine squared theta, okay, divided by 1 minus cos squared theta over sine squared theta, like this, where we know that this one here, where we know that this one 1 minus cos squared theta is the same as, it is the same as sine squared theta over sine squared theta, like this. Okay, so here what should we do here? We should get the reciprocal of these. Okay, so where we know that this one here is the same as sine squared theta, okay, over 1 times, okay, the reciprocal of these to give us the same sine squared theta over sine squared theta, like this. Okay, where we know that this and this cancels, will remain with sine squared theta, like this. So this is the solution.